The newly facelifted Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross has now been launched in Japan, where it is offered in both petrol and plug-in hybrid variants. The latter marks the first time the compact SUV gets a PHEV powertrain, which is derived from the setup used in much larger Outlander PHEV. According to Mitsubishi, the system consists of two electric motors, with one at the front rated at 82 PS, 80 HP, and 137 Newton meters of torque, while another unit at the rear provides 95 PS, 94 HP, and 195 Newton meters of torque. Both provide all-wheel drive with Mitsubishi's SAWC Super All-Wheel Control system, ensuring efficient driving force is distributed depending on conditions. These e-motors draw power from a 13.8 kWh 300 volt lithium-ion battery mounted on the vehicle floor, which is recharged by a 4B12 2.4-liter MIVEC naturally aspirated 4-cylinder petrol engine that churns out 128 PS, 126 HP, and 199 Newton meters at 4,500 RPM. The system also charges the battery via regenerative braking and when the vehicle is plugged into a charging station. The Eclipse Cross PHEV supports both AC charging, Type 1 up to 3.7 kW, with a full charge taking about 4.5 hours when plugged into a wall box. There's also DC fast charging up to 22 kW with a 0 to 80% state of charge reached in 25 minutes. As for the regular petrol engine, it is a 4B40 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-pot that provides 150 PS, 148 HP at 5,500 RPM and 240 Newton meters from 2,000 to 3,500 RPM. The mill is paired with an INVEC3 CVT with 8 virtual speeds and can be had with front or all-wheel drive. In terms of styling changes, the Eclipse Cross gets revisions to its front and rear, with the latter being the most significant. The previous full-width taillights and split rear windscreen are now gone, replaced with vertical L-shaped clusters and a single pane of glass. To go along with these revisions, there's also a reshaped tailgate that helps reduce the stubby look of the pre-facelift model's tail. As for the front, a revamped 2-tiered lighting arrangement sees a slimmer upper portion that acts as the LED daytime running lights, while the main headlamps have been moved further down, with oval housings with chrome detailing. Mitsubishi's dynamic shield face remains present as before, but with some tweaks like hexagonal perforations for narrower upper grille, along with a honeycomb mesh insert beneath it. Inside, the infotainment system features a new interface and physical volume and tuning knobs. The previous touchpad, which looked a little out of place, has also been ditched, so interfacing with the system is done via a touchscreen that is brought closer to the occupants.